Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to social class. In the last class, we had learned about the mineral resources. We learned that minerals are very useful and found naturally on the earth. Minerals are useful in our day to day life. Let us move on to today's lesson. The 14-year-old girl works as a servant in a family. Her owner mistreats her and sometimes she has to face physical violence also. Do you know that there are thousands of children like Randa who face such abuse every day? Every child deserves to be treated with love and affection, but a lot of children in India face abuse like Radha. Such cases go unreported most of the time, thereby resulting in continued torture. This kind of children must need a support from their parents' side. The parents must identify the problems and discuss what kind of support they need. The government had introduced Childline service. Childline 1098 is a phone number that spells hope for millions of children across India. It is a 24-hour a day, 365 days a year free emergency phone service for children in need of care and protection. Children are our nation's precious jewels, so we must take care of safety and security of these precious jewels. Children who feel safe will be more able to learn and experience the world around them. Now let us learn more details about Childline in this lesson. In this lesson, father is reading the newspaper while the son and daughter peeps into the paper and finds an advertisement of Childline 1098. Childline number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. It helps children who are in need of help and care. This is a free number, so anyone can call at any time. The child, when found to be mistreated by anyone, such as the guardian, the public, or the relatives, they can contact this number. Childline service was first established as a project in the year 1996. Later, between 1998-99, Childline was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Whatever problems or dangers they are facing, Childline service is a place for them to support at any time of day or night. In May 2013, Childline in Ahmedabad rescued around 16 children. Rescued means saved from a danger. In May 2013, Childline in Ahmedabad rescued around 16 children who were working in various parts of the city. Child labor is an offense in India. Offense means punishable. Child labor means the use of children to do work that should be done by adults. Childline helps children who work as laborers, children who were abandoned by their parents. Abandon means to give up. Children who were differently abled and children who live in streets. Childline number is 1098. One can call on this number and ask for help or inform if they find children who need help. Childline is supporting children for over 30 years. Our Childline service is there to give young people a voice when no one is listening. Childline 1098 also helps missing children, runaway children, HIV children, children who need emotional support and guidance, children in institutions. These call centers are present in cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Bangalore. Any child can dial the Childline 1098 helpline, which operates night and day. The Childline rushes to help children within 60 minutes to bring children out of an emergency situation. Recent numbers indicate that the calls to this child helpline has doubled in numbers. Currently, it is around 9.83 million. Children, today we have learned about the Childline. Now let us recap the lesson. Childline number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. It helps children who are in need and care. In 1998-1999, Childline was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Childline helps children who work as laborers, children who are abandoned by their parents, children who are differently abled, and who live in streets. Child labor is an offense in India. Children, today we have learned about the Childline. Study the lesson and do the assignment. Thank you, children.